Hey y'all, it's Jennifer. I'm making beef enchiladas for dinner, so I thought I'd show you how I make them for my family. You will need 1 pound of shredded cheddar cheese, 1 to 1.5 pounds of ground beef, red enchilada sauce found on the international aisle of a grocery store, taco seasoning, and flour tortillas. I am also making congri, which is a side for this for us, which is basically just black beans and white rice mixed together. I'm using jasmine because I like the texture of when it is boiled. I'd like to add as well that the ground beef is 96% to 4% fat, but I'm adding a little bit from another pound, so it'll kind of give off a little bit extra grease. I've already browned the ground beef, and now I'm going to go over and drain all the fat off that came off of whenever I browned the ground beef. And I like to rinse this as well, um, to get that extra fat off. Okay, now I'm going to add it back to the pan. I'm also going to add just a little bit of water to the pan just so that the taco seasoning takes better to the ground beef. Since this is over a pound of meat, I'm still only using 1 packet of the taco seasoning because I don't want it too high in sodium for us. Once you have this ground beef and taco seasoning mixed, then you'll take the enchilada sauce, add some all through over the bottom of the pan. I like to coat the whole bottom just so that the flour tortillas are sitting straight onto it. You can either do it this way, I was only one-handed since I had the camera, or you could take a spoon backing and spread it all over the bottom of the pan. Once you have that done, then you're just going to start to assemble what I call the burrito roll. So you'll take the ground beef, then you'll take some of the shredded cheddar cheese and put that inside of this, and then you will roll it into the shape of a burrito. And you're just going to keep repeating that process until you have your pan full. Once you are these all done, then you're going to take the rest of the ground beef mixture, which I had some left because my pan didn't have any more room for more burritos. I just take that and spread that all over the top because I don't have any use for what word is that? I don't have any use for extra taco meat for the rest of the week, so I'm just going to spread it across the top. Then you do the same thing with the enchilada sauce. You spread it all the way around. Make sure that you do cover each tortilla shell, as you don't want any left uncovered, because whenever it bakes, it can cause the tortilla shell to get extra hard, and that can hurt your teeth when you bite down on that piece of tortilla shell that's extra, extra crunchy. Then I'll take the remainder of the shredded cheddar cheese bag and spread that around as well, making sure each burrito is covered. I do it just like I would a regular casserole, just making sure everything's covered. Okay, once that's done, I did go ahead and preheat my oven at 375 before I started, but I will set a timer for 25 minutes. Basically, all you're doing is you're waiting for all of the cheese inside the burritos as well on top to completely melt and just get warm again inside. Okay, once that's done, this is what it looks like in the casserole dish. And then this is the congri, which is the black beans and white rice. This is what it looks like plated with sour cream on top. My husband does like to add garlic salt on top to give it a little extra flavor if you'd like to do that. And I'll cut this open for you. But thanks for watching. Please comment below if you make this for your family and let me know what you do differently. Please hit that subscribe button. What is a button? Button, and I will see you soon.